Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can use chat in Roblox on Xbox. So let's start. Alright, so right off the bat, you cannot chat in Roblox when you are playing it on Xbox, but there are a few things that you can do. Alright, so first you can go to your apps and you can use Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is a web browser for Microsoft like Xbox or your PC. So you can open Microsoft Edge and log into your Roblox account using this web browser, and you can chat with your friends from there. So currently, Xbox does not let you chat with your friends when you are using Roblox or when you're playing Roblox, but this is one way that you can use it. You can also download third-party chat applications from Microsoft Store, and you can use that application. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.